In this video we will do the unboxing of Nike's Renew Rival shoes. So I bought it from Amazon and I have ordered it both men's and women's shoes. So I have two boxes inside this. This one is the men's shoe and let's see the other box. This box is very similar. And this is the women's shoes. So both are Renew Rival brands. So I will keep this women's shoes aside and let's have a look at the men's shoes. So the first impression looks very good. It's mesh material and it's very soft. And let's remove the stuffing from this. And it's as usual Nike shoes, it's very light, and in the back you can see some holes in the soles and it enhances flexibility and it's very comfortable. And this material looks very thin. If I insert my hand, it's very thin material, but it's durable due to Nike quality. So I am going to try this on my shoe, on my foot, and then see how it feels. So you see the back here is a bit elevated, similarly here. And it's very comfortable in the foot. So let's give it a try. Let's see the MRP they have written. The MRP that they have written is 7295 rupees, but I got it for less than half of this, roughly half of this price from Amazon in India. I did not get that much discount on the women's shoes for the same brand. So I hope you like the shoes, and at first impression I like it, and I feel that it's very comfortable and good for running. Let's look at the Nike Renew Rival women's shoes, and the color looks very good. It's light pink and suitable for women, and it's very light. I don't feel I'm holding anything in my hand. So I had also bought Renew Rival men's shoes, and these are even lighter than the men's shoes. and the design of the sole is similar for both the men's and the women's, and as usual it's very flexible material. It looks very soft but still durable, and I feel that it will be very comfortable to wear and very good for running purpose. So you see the raised elevated back and front side. So this is the design of rival product of this Nike. So if you like it, give it a try. It would not be a wastage of money. So let's see the MRP they have written. So the MRP they have written is 7295 rupees, and it was available for around 35% discount. So I got it for roughly 4500 rupees. You can see a Nike branding here also in the top, although it's not visible, and one on the right side, left side.